Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Welcome to BGS Technology new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you remove your photos background without internet connection. Yes guys, you're listening true, but how you do it? So in this video I'm going to show you how you do it without internet connection. By the way, before the start the video, I'll show you if you new member in our channel, now click the subscribe button, and if you watch this video another social media, now follow me. So let's see how you remove your every photos background without internet connection.
So first of all, we're gonna our InShot apps, and we'll click photos option, and we'll click here new options, and here you selected your photos, that photo you want to change your photos background. So I'll select my photo. So I select my photos and I click this photo, and this photo come in our edit option, edit line, and here we'll swipe side, and we'll get a cutout option and click here, and a few minutes later this photo background is removed. Yes guys, our photo background is already removed, and we'll click this option and we'll click export to save this photo, and this photo is very soon it's saved to go on our gallery or files options when waiting for a few minutes. Yes guys, our photo already saved our gallery or files options.
Yes guys, it was through this video. If you like this video, now click the like button, and if you want to get more exciting video, now subscribe our channel, and if you watch this video on other social media, now follow me to get more exciting video. So by the way, I'll say you something. If you do it first time, you need internet connection, and if you do and more than time you have not internet connection, you do it without internet connection. So at a time, at first you need to do it with internet connection, and then you do it without internet connection. So I hope that you will be understand now. So see you later. Assalamu Alaikum.